Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into METANIA, a V2 Games token crypto coin that's generating buzz in the crypto world. METANIA is built with multi-chain support, so it operates on the Binance Smart Chain, ETHEREUM, and SOLANA, providing flexibility for users. Why should you consider METANIA? Because of its gaming utility and potential growth within the expanding blockchain gaming space. Now, let's get a deeper understanding of METANIA. We'll explore its tokenomics, including total supply, distribution methods, and any burning mechanisms in place. Furthermore, we'll cover the many use cases, from in-game purchases and staking opportunities to potential governance rights. Finally, we'll summarize key milestones achieved, future development plans, and the dedicated team steering METANIA forward from the white paper and roadmap. Oh, where can you buy METANIA? One option is MEXC Global. We'll guide you through creating an account, completing KYC verification, depositing funds like USDT, and finally trading for METANIA, while also considering the associated fees. Alternatively, you can explore decentralized exchanges, also known as DEXs. If you prefer the Binance Smart Chain, PancakeSwap is your go-to. We'll show you how to connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, swap BNB for METANIA, and understand slippage tolerance. For the Ethereum network, Uniswap is an option. We'll explain connecting your wallet and swapping ETH for METANIA, remembering to factor in gas fees. And for the Solana blockchain, Radium is available, with its advantages of transaction speed. We will see how to connect your wallet, such as Phantom or Solflare, and swap SOL for METANIA. Finally, if available, we'll cover direct purchase options through the official website, along with instructions, requirements, and potential discounts. Help you navigate the different blockchains. Let's clarify the steps for buying METANIA on each chain. On the Binance Smart Chain, you'll need a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, BNB for transactions, and the BSC network configured in your wallet, alongside the smart contract address. For Ethereum, MetaMask is the wallet of choice. ETH is your required currency, and you'll be operating on the Ethereum mainnet using the smart contract address. And on Solana, Phantom or Solflare wallets are used with SOL as the currency, all happening on the Solana mainnet, with its associated token address. If we're diving in, it's crucial to address security considerations. Protect your wallet with a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and securely store your seed phrases. Make sure to check information about audits performed on METANIA and find the audit reports. Also, learn to recognize fake METANIA tokens and stay vigilant against phishing attempts. It's important to acknowledge the inherent risks in cryptocurrency investment. This includes volatility, market risk, and regulatory risk. Make sure to perform your own thorough research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, this information is not financial advice, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, METANIA offers exciting potential in the gaming token space with multiple buying options through MEXC and various DEXs. So, start your METANIA journey today. You can find more information on the official website and social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.